एक वजह है, बालाजी फिल्म के साथ मेरी तीसरी फिल्म है and एक अच्छा ट्रैक रिकॉर्ड रहा है। विशाल जी के साथ काम करने का मौका, extremely talented, and of course not leaving out my director करण नैयर, जिनका विजन है, जिनकी ये कहानी नहीं थी लेकिन जो जर्म था इस आइडिया का करण से आया था। So I think he's a fantastic director, working with Vishal ji again with the music, having to lip sync songs that Vishal ji has composed. I think it was a dream come true.
I don't know, because all of us are kind of natural bullies. I think all the girls in the film, you know, we're quite independent, strong-minded, stubborn. So I think it just
Fortunately, there was no scene where all three of them were there with me. So at one time, I got bullied by one.
There's a reason why we were cast in a film called Ek Thi Diane, basically.
मेरे सपनों में सिर्फ खूबसूरत डायने आती हैं, क्योंकि हमारी फिल्म में दो तरह की डायन है, एक भयानक रूप है, एक खूबसूरत रूप है। तो मैंने ये भी कहा है कि अगर मैं डायन से मिलना चाहता हूँ तो एक हॉट सेक्सी डायन हो, भयानक डायन नहीं चाहिए। आई थिंक जैसे कहते हैं कि यूएस सर्टिफिकेट के साथ 15 या 20% की ऑडियंस ज़्यादा आती है। It's great to somewhere capitalize through the content of this film so that a larger audience kind of somewhere embraces this film. Having said that, I just want to say that this film in many ways takes an extremely different step towards supernatural and horror. So I think it's a film that will grow. It's a film that people will love for its story, for its content. It's unlike anything you've seen. So there's no benchmark as such. I've done Raz 3, which was last year. But I think Ek Thi Diane takes that further into a completely new terrain, and I think it's a very nice film.
Well, I agree with that. You know, I think it's sort of एक ट्रेंड सा बन गया है कि जब भी कोई पिक्चर रिलीज होती है उससे पहले कोई ना कोई खड़े होकर बोलता है कि हमें इस पे आप प्रॉब्लम है, उससे प्रॉब्लम है। आई थिंक पहले आप फिल्म देख लीजिए और देखने के बाद अगर किसी को कोई प्रॉब्लम है तो देन आई थिंक इट शुड बी एड्रेस्ड इन द राइट फोरम, एंड वी गॉट द सेंसर सर्टिफिकेट, सो आई डोंट नो, आई डोंट थिंक एनी सच claim stands valid.
Yeah, I mean, what they've already said has covered it pretty much. I think, you know, we have a tendency to not like anything where we show women in a negative light. And, you know, there are characters and stories where women are not all good. You know, there are some grey shades to a person, and that doesn't mean that we are being derogatory to women, because I think it just puts up a mirror to society and the way we are.
फोटो के साथ जी, वो जनरली मेरी फिल्मों में होता है, तो वो तो इस फिल्म में तो डेफिनेटली किया है। एक नहीं, कुछ 5-6 पैसे वसूल शॉट्स हैं इसमें, लेकिन उसके साथ साथ उसके बाद हमारे डायरेक्टर को लगा कि चोटी भी काट देते हैं, तो वो भी दे दी ऑडियंस को। देखिए, ये इन लोगों ने सिर्फ प्रोमोस पे फिल्म को जज किया। आई नो वन सीन द फिल्म, सो आई थिंक इट्स एक्सट्रीमली it's unfair. Again, this film is about witches, it's about superstitions. So I don't think you can really take a fictional film and take a fictional film to task, because, you know, you anyways have fictional characters, you have superstitions. They have, I think, it's just something that's become, I think, a fad. Before every release, you have someone coming and taking people to task. I think Bollywood has become kind of a soft target, so I think that should stop.
Imran is shaking his head. I was going to say it's so wonderful to be with such an amazing person like Imran, and I'm so proud to be in a film with him again. But obviously he doesn't feel the same way, huh, Imran?
I think it's fantastic working with her. Apart from getting slapped around, I think Kalki is a fine artist. Shanghai, I think she really blew everyone away by giving a fantastic performance. In this film also, I think it's a very mysterious character she's playing. Can't reveal too much about her character, but again, it's been a great experience working with her.